The 12th house is the quiet sanctuary of the chart. It invites inner peace, stillness, and a deep connection with what lives beyond the surface of everyday life. This house teaches the value of rest, retreat, and renewal. Here we soften, release pressure, and allow the spirit and body to recover in gentle and meaningful ways. The 12th house is linked with dreams, intuition, and the subtle messages that rise from within. It helps us listen to what cannot always be explained with logic alone. This house carries faith, compassion, and spiritual connection. It reminds us that prayer, trust, and presence can open the heart to a sense of divine support and guidance. This 12th house holds what is hidden, unresolved, and deeply felt. It can reveal psychic sensitivity, emotional undercurrents, and the healing that begins when we face what has been quietly waiting within. At its highest, the 12th house teaches surrender, mindfulness, and compassionate awareness. Balanced by the 6th house, it reminds us to bring spiritual wisdom into daily life with care, service, and healthy rhythms.